So finally guys, there is a good news for GB WhatsApp lovers. Now the latest version of GB WhatsApp 17.20.0 is available. Because whenever there is update, I try to provide you information in both the languages, Hindi as well as in English. I have already uploaded a video on Hindi topic. If you have not checked it out, you can check it out. If you are good with Hindi, you can check out the Hindi version. This is the English version of this GB WhatsApp update. So first of all, let me show you, because I have already updated. Click on it. You want to check it out, click on it. Go to GB settings. On the bottom you will find here the version 17.20.0. If you have not updated it, let me tell you the process. How would you update it? For that, just you need to click on universal settings. On the bottom you can see that two options are available. First one is auto update new version via Wi-Fi and auto update version via 4G. Enable these both the options, and thereafter what you have to do, go back. On the bottom you will find upgrade GB. Click on it. If there is any version available for your any latest version available for your GB WhatsApp, you will find here. Click on it and download it, because I have already shared the method. If you want to download or update your application, how would you update it? Now let us talk about what are the major changes have been shown here in this latest version. I have updated it just around 14 hours ago, and so far, because I have deleted all the chats just not to share the contact details, because in some videos many of viewers are there who just take the screenshot of contact numbers and thereafter they try to messages. That's why I deleted all the chats. Only one chat is remaining here, because I have to show you some settings in that. So let us start one by one the settings. One thing that is the greatest update, I believe, is the latest security patches of 27 August 2021. This is one of the best thing that you have got the latest security patch. Your data is more safe, more secure if you are using official GB WhatsApp. Second biggest update is nowadays, like this version, I'm not getting any ads here. So this one is the another big update. If you are using official GB WhatsApp version 17.20.0, then ads are not shown here. Because I have uploaded a video in Hindi, then some of viewers are making comments that they are still getting ads. I don't know how. I'll give you the link in the description also. If you want to update it from the link, you can update it. Otherwise, for me, I don't know why then from more than 14 to 15 hours has gone and still I'm not getting any ads here. It means that ads are not available. Once when I click on status, I'll show you that ads are not shown here. These are all my status. Only you can see that there are no ads. Mostly what happens, below our status we find ads here, but here you can see that ads are not shown. This is one of the biggest update, you may say, in the latest version of 17.20.0. Now let us talk about another features and updates what we have got. Earlier version we had a problem that when we were trying to hide any chat, the chat was showing in search box. The same is happening still. I'll just show you. Click on it, click on hide chat and give your security pattern, what a pattern you follow. Let me give you my pattern. So here you can see that the chat is hidden. Now once when I type the same name in the search box, you can see that the chat is shown. Still this problem is here. Yeah, ads are blocked, but still if you try to hide any chat, the chat is shown in search box, which is quite disappointment for the GB WhatsApp lovers. Let us talk about another feature. So click on it. If you want to utilize custom privacy, still you will see that the custom privacy option is not available. Click on it, and thereafter you can see that custom privacy option is not available. Click on it, and now thereafter you can click here, and you can see that here the lock conversion option is not available and voice changer option is not available, which is quite disappointment. So this is, by the look you can see it is quite same. There is not much changes, but the ad free this version is available. If you want to download it, you can download it. Let's talk about another features. Click on plus button. By this option you can download unlimited themes are available. Click here. So now you will see that the themes are changed, then some new themes are added here. You want to utilize those themes, you can click on that, and thereafter what will happen, you need to just share this theme with the 4 or 5 members with your friends, so that the theme will be unlocked and thereafter you'll be able to utilize it. Let's go back. Same, if you go to the second option, click on it. Second option is just to change the home screen and also conversation screen. Just click on it. You want to make changes in home screen. Let me give you simple warning. If you use any wallpaper, and wallpaper format doesn't support sometimes, because I have uploaded a lot of videos where viewers are asking to me, such simply I find this image here, and now what would I do? I will just use this image. So click on it. Thereafter, once when you click on it, you will see here this is shown. Click on done. You can see that now it has been added, and save. Once when you save it, then you can see that the theme has been applied. Once when you click on it, you can see that the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Make sure when you use any image as a wallpaper of home screen, that image should be not large, very larger in size or very smaller in size. We have to understand this. Now you want to restore it, click on it. Thereafter, click on colors. By default it's white color, so I'll choose white color, and thereafter I'll click on OK, and thereafter I'll click on save. So once when I click on save, then what would happen? It will navigate to the default. So now you can see that the white color is shown here. Let us talk about another features. Click on three dots on the top. By this option you can create a new group. By this one you can create a new broadcast. You can check it out that whether your GB WhatsApp is utilized or used in any laptop or PC. You can click on it, you can check it out. Once when you click on it, if your GB WhatsApp is logged in already in any laptop or PC, you will get the list here of operating systems. But because in my case my GB WhatsApp has not been logged in any PC or laptop, that's why the list is not shown here. Go back, click on it. You have bookmarked any message, starred any message, then what would happen? All the messages will be shown here. If you click here, you will see the list here of those messages which has been bookmarked. Let us talk about other features. By this option you can send money, and also you can receive money. For that you need to add any UPI method. You can see here the Bheem or any other like a PhonePe and all. You can add it, and thereafter you can transfer money, you can receive money. By this option you can send a text message to anyone without saving his contact number. And same is here, you want to schedule a message to anyone, like as you don't want to wake up till late night 12 o'clock and you want to record a message right now, and you want to set a time and you want that message should be sent itself at 12 o'clock. So this option is available if you are using official GB WhatsApp version. Latest version is 17.20.0. By this option your application will be restarted. Now let us talk about if you want to use app lock, then how would you do that? Click on it, settings, click on accounts, click on privacy, and on the bottom you will see that fingerprint lock. By default it is disabled. If you want to enable it, you can enable it, and thereafter what would happen, that whenever anyone is willing to open this application, he has to or she has to give the security pattern, your fingerprint obviously. So this is very cool. Now you have the app lock. Actually it is not provided by GB WhatsApp, it is provided by official WhatsApp. So now if you are using official WhatsApp also, you can lock that. You don't need to download any external application, any third-party application just to lock your WhatsApp. This option is available almost in all the official versions as well. Now let us talk about other features. Click on it, go to GB settings. Privacy and security option is available here. Click on it. Thereafter you can hide your last seen. You can disable forwarded tag. You can also set who can call you. You can hide Vivid status, and you can use integrated status. Here you can see that anyone send a message to you and delete, that message will not be deleted for you if you enable anti-delete messages. Same if anyone is sending message to you and you have waived it, but still that person will not get the blue ticks until you reply if you enable this option. Here three options are available related to the privacy, contacts, groups, and broadcast. If you enable, click on it, then you will find some options are shown. If you click any of them, then what would happen? You can hide blue ticks, you can hide second tick, you can hide blue microphone. If you enable this option, you will have the problem that you will not be able to receive messages or send messages properly. I have got so many comments where the users are asking to me that sir, my messages are not sent, my messages are not received. I always give you solution, and this is 100%. Please disable all the settings that you applied. Click on universal settings. Once you click on it, then you can see that you can send best quality media files to anyone. What happens by default, GB WhatsApp or WhatsApp algorithm is that if you send any media file to anyone, by default it compresses the file. Suppose you send a file of 100 MB, it will be compressed. It will be like a sent in the size of only 20 MB. Just because of that, sometimes the quality of that image or video also lose. So if you don't want that, you want to send the original quality file, then you can enable the first option. Same is here. With the status also, you want to enable the best quality status, you can use the second option. You want to upload a 5 minutes video status, you can use the third option. Here you can see that you want to disable the share limit, because in WhatsApp you can only share maximum 30 media files to anyone. If you want to increase this size, you can enable this option also. Here you can hide images, videos or GIFs shared to you on GB WhatsApp from your gallery if you enable these options. You want to enable chat ads, enable this option. You want to increase the share limit, forward limit. By default it is 5. If you enable it, then you can share or forward any message to maximum 300 contacts. That's very good. If you talk about other features, then you can see that entry of self-destructive messages means that if you send a message to anyone, then what would happen? That message will be deleted itself in 7 days. If you forget to delete and you don't want that your messages should be seen by anyone else, then you can enable this option. Similarly, I have already told you the features of these two. If you enable it, then any update is there for your application, then it will be uploaded itself. Go bottom, you can choose the launcher icon. By clicking this option, you will find a lot of icons are here. You can choose any of them. Let's go back. Let us talk about another. Here you can see that the backup and restore. Then what would happen if you want to take a backup in your device? Use the first option. You want to take a backup in your cloud storage, then Mega and Dropbox is available. You can just log in your Mega account or log in your Dropbox account, and thereafter you can take a backup in cloud storage. That data will be stored forever. Go back. Now you will see that the theme store. So I have already shared the theme store and also the caller phone. If you talk about nowadays, like as in the previous version, we had only one caller phone, but now if you update the version, you will find more two caller phones. In the beginning, a lot of caller phones were available, but from last couple of days, what is happening? Sometimes one caller phone is available by default, sometimes 2, sometimes 3. So when I uploaded a video yesterday, then I have got only 2 extra, like as one was by default and 2 extra. But today when I'm making a video, you can see that the 4 are there. So 1 is by default and 3 are there. You can utilize it so that if you make any call to anybody, then this caller phone will be used. Let us talk about another features. If you talk about by this option, you can follow this website you want to visit. You can follow in Telegram, Twitter, you can utilize it. So here, this is the latest version of GB WhatsApp. As I told you, I have not got any ads so far. If you want to update it, you will update it. I'll give you the link in the description as well as also in the comment section. On the top, my comment will be given. Click on it and thereafter download it. I hope you like this video. If you like it, hit the like button, share with your friends. And if you have not subscribed our channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon so that if we upload any video, you get the notification first. This is all about today. Very soon we'll see you again. For the time being, bye bye and take care.